Tired of dealing with payroll errors and unhappy employees? Your current timekeeping method might be to blame. Never second-guess payroll again with Janitorial Manager's Timekeeping feature. JM's Timekeeping establishes accountability, giving you the flexibility to choose from several different types of timekeeping methods, such as QR code. This allows users to scan a designated QR code to clock into the location. This allows companies to confirm that employees are logging in at the job site property. Team Clock-In. Managers can clock in and clock out groups of employees. This is ideal for operations with a team or crew cleaning modules. Kiosk. This allows multiple users to clock in and out by entering a PIN number on a shared device, similar to a mounted time clock. And so many more. The system will also provide managers with alerts when an employee fails to show up for their scheduled shift, allowing managers to address staffing needs right away and keep clients happy. Payroll will always be documented and error-free. Stop chasing employees for their clock-in times, as JM provides a punch-in system that saves and records the clock-in time, giving employees accountability for their clock-ins. JM is secured with geofencing, which allows your employees to only clock in and out within the geofence area. With facial recognition software, JM prevents unauthorized access and eliminates buddy punching between employees. Assure the right employees are in the right place at the right time. Clock in, clock out reports for pending time punches. A pending time punch is when an employee forgets to clock in or clock out. JM will allow them to manually clock in, clock out, which will be seen on the report so management can approve. Guarantee precision and accountability in your payroll while establishing employee satisfaction and keeping your customers happy. Elevate your operations efficiency today with Janitorial Manager's Timekeeping feature.